Hi, first graders. This week we are going to be focusing on addition and subtraction and using strategies to help us either add or subtract. Today's strategy is doubles plus 1. Do you remember adding doubles? Well, adding doubles is when both addends are the same. You see two of the same numbers in an equation. Here are some examples. As you can see, there are two of the same numbers in an equation. These numbers right here are called addends. So Miss S is going to read out some problems, and I'm going to show you how to solve these problems by using our doubles plus 1 strategy. Problem 1. Jocelyn won 4 tickets playing a game. She won 5 more tickets at a different game. How many tickets did she win? We are going to use linking cubes to represent this problem. So 4 tickets for the first game that she won, and then 5 tickets from her second game. What number sentence represents this problem? 4 plus 5, because we have 4 from the first game and then 5 from the second game. But before we start adding that together, we are going to use our strategy. So we are going to make a double using the smaller addend. Remember, addends are the numbers that you see in an equation. So which addend is smaller, 4 or 5? Right, 4 is smaller. So we are going to group those linking cubes together. So we have 4 up here and then 4 down here. Our linking cube right here, we are going to ignore him for now. So when we add 4 plus 4, we know that that is 8. This is our doubles. Okay, 4 plus 4. Then we are going to add our one friend to 8. And when we add one more to 8, that is 9. 8 plus 1 equals 9. So we can say that 4 plus 5 is 9. That is our doubles plus 1 strategy. Okay, here's problem 2. Mariah counted 6 cars on Monday and 7 cars on Tuesday. How many cars did Mariah count? Again, let's use some linking cubes. So here's the 6 cars on Monday and then the 7 cars on Tuesday. Here's our number sentence, 6 plus 7, but before we start adding, we got to use our strategy. Which one is the smaller addend? We got to make a double using that. Is it 6 or 7? Right, 6 is the smaller addend. Addend is another word for number. So when we group 6 up here and then 6 down here, remember we got to ignore our friend back here. So 6 plus 6 equals 12. Now we add our friend. 12 plus this 1 equals 13. So 6 plus 7 equals 13. Okay, problem 3. Mike ran for 8 minutes and Sam ran for 9 minutes. How many minutes combined did the boys run? So when you combine something together, you add it. Okay, let's use our linking cubes. We have 8 minutes for Mike and then 9 minutes for Sam. Here is our number sentence, 8 plus 9. Then we got to use our double strategy. So which one is the smaller number or addend, 8 or 9? Right, 8. So we group the 8. We group 8 minutes up here and then 8 minutes down here. We ignore our one friend. Then we figure out that 8 plus 8 equals 16. That's our doubles. Then we add our friend. 16 plus 1 equals 17. Remember, we get the 16 from counting 8 plus 8. Then we add the 1. So 8 plus 9 equals 17. Okay, now this is your turn. I want you to pause this video. I want you to grab some linking cubes. If you're at home, you can grab some jelly beans or some chocolates, anything that you want to group together, okay? And you're going to write the equation and you're going to use a strategy. So here's the question. Blake had 5 jelly beans and Zeta had 6 jelly beans. How many jelly beans did Blake and Zeta have all together? Well, I'm going to let you go ahead and do your work. So I'm going to pause this video. All right, let's check your work. So we have 5 plus 6 as our equation, and we know that 5 is a smaller addend, so we use the double. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Then we do our plus 1 strategy. We say 10 plus 1 equals 11. So that is how we figure out 5 plus 6 equals 11. Great job using the double plus 1 strategy to add.